Hello everyone, this is Joe with Dent Solutions in Owen Sound. Today we're working on a dent on a F-150 left rear door. We're going to be removing this dent today with the paintless dent repair method. Stay tuned and we'll walk you through the repair processes and you'll be able to see the perfect results that we were able to achieve in the end. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.
Alright everybody, here we have a look at the damage on the rear door of this F-150. These trucks are made of aluminum, which is a little bit more difficult to repair than steel is, but should be no problem for us here at Sound Dent Solutions. Customer had a run-in with a wooden post, and although this dent is only about 3.5 to 4 inches in size, it was really bothersome to this customer and quite noticeable actually. He was quite happy to know that we did not have to use any kind of body filler on this, and ecstatic to know that he did not have to repaint the side of this truck. Here we are removing the rear trim panel off this door in order to gain access to the back side of the damage. We then place an LED light over the area, which allows us to see in fine detail exactly where we're pushing throughout the entire repair process. Here's a look at the now great access we have to the back side of this damage with the trim panel removed. We then go in with specialized tools and slowly and methodically work the metal back out to its original shape. It takes hundreds of calculated and measured pushes. The dents don't just pop out like you'd think they might. We also have to use a hammer and a knockdown, as you can see here, to work the metal from both sides until it comes out 100% flat. We also have to view the damage from multiple angles in order to achieve that 360 perfect view on the final results. And here we are reinstalling the trim panel after the repairs are complete. And here's a look at the final product. The customer was absolutely blown away actually by the results that we achieved with paintless dent repair on this. They didn't expect perfection. It's always nice when we can exceed their expectations, and as you can see in the reflections of the steel ribbed wall behind us, that they don't distort in any way, and it's literally like the damage never happened. If you would like more information on this service, you can look us up online at sounddentsolutions.com, or feel free to give us a call at 519-270-5705. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you right back here at Sound Dent Solutions.